Hey guys, Josh and Heath here. We're going to do a quick video on how to break down a Springfield 1911 A1. Alright, the first thing you obviously need to do is check, make sure no magazine. Rack the slide back, make sure there's nothing in the chamber. And you can go ahead and drop the hammer. Now what you'll want to do is there's an Allen head bolt right there, which is a 5/32. We'll take that out. And once that's out, take a plastic trim tool, because you don't want to use metal on metal. Pull that straight out. Now what you want to do is slide it back to where that notch right there is. Go on the other side, push. Then you can pull out the slide lock. Once the slide lock's out, you can slide straight forward. As you can see, that fell out. Goes right there. See how it's positioned? And then you see this right here on the barrel, you'll want that to be leaning forward like it was to be able to slide out the front of the slide. But first you'll have to take off the sleeve right here, turn it just right there. Then the collar will come off and the barrel will come straight out. And that's how you disassemble a model 1911 A1 from Springfield. Okay, now we're going to clean the Springfield 1911. This 1911 hasn't been shot very much at all. It's just been sitting in the safe for about a year. We're going to run some hoppies through the barrel with a brass brush. And then take a patch and run it through. And basically all you do is just run these patches through until there is no dirt. So there probably is none on this one. And now what I'm actually going to do is run another one through with a little bit of ballistol on it. The reason why I like doing that is I know the ballistol leaves behind a little bit of oil. And once you clean the barrel, you want to clean your slide here, especially where the friction points are. Just like so. And then we'll use some Hoppy's gun oil. And put it at the back of the slide. Just like that, just a little bit. Then stand the gun up. Just let it run down. And now you're ready for reassembly. All right, we're going to reassemble the 1911 now. So what you want to do is take your slide, your barrel, make sure that's pointed down. That way it'll slide in there and it'll lock in. Next, you want to go ahead and put your barrel bushing on. It'll only go on one way, and you can twist it over just like that. Next is your spring guide. Put it in. As you can see how it's positioned. Now, just lay the slide down, slide your frame on, just like that. Now you'll see there's holes in here for the barrel that you have to line up. There we go. Now take your slide lock, slide it in just like that. As you can see, there's a little notch right there that sticks out. You'll want to take your trim tool and kind of push it back. Just like that. And then you can push it in. Now that that's in there, you can go ahead and slide your recoil spring back in. Be very careful though, because it can shoot out. Once again, take your trim tool, push it down on it. Do your bushing, we'll turn around, lock it, then you can take your bolt, put it back in with your Allen wrench and tighten it back down. Be sure not to over tighten it though. There you have it. 1911's back together. Thanks for watching.